What's up, y'all? It's Roby1, the Indiana Jones of rap, Mobile Roble. I'm out here revealing more of the Freemasons architecture and obliques they left behind. And so far, out my way, I live South County, Worcester County. This so far is the biggest one I've seen. And by looking at it, looks like bigger than the oblique that's behind the town hall with Minerva or Athena on the top. Mr. Daniel Wheelock, born in Millbury, November 7th, 1799, died in Worcester, August 25th, 1865. Wife, Susan Pratt Wheelock, born in Wethersfield, Vermont, August 1803, died in Worcester, September 14th, 1884. Gives you the children and whatnot, but man, it's just big. It is just massive. Hey, it's got to be 30 feet. I bet you it's 33 feet if I was to guess. Look at this thing. It's just awesome. And this is like the backside of Prescott Street in Worcester. Here's Co, and it's the crematory in the center of this. And remember, I said that these particular headdress things are on all this stuff. Remember the snakes, that's a 12-headed snake. And then there's that same wreath that's very similar to the tomb over there at George Washington Wells. And then if you look right there, it's got like Leviathan leaves underneath. It's got them in the corner. Who is this? Frank Palmer Golding. Wow. Interesting. More Leviathan leaves. This thing's gonna take a while to do this graveyard. And the thing of it is, a lot of these people are in the history book, but there's a handful of them that aren't. Cyrus Wood, these are early 1800s. Freemasonic in nature. The trees falling apart. It's on someone's grave. That stinks. Look at these things. See, there's the Minerva eyes right there. House, Isaac. Look at these things. There's a few tombs over here too. I think I'm gonna go over and do some quick films on the tombs. Look at this one. This one's pretty good size. Wow, it's got the white stone in there too. Wow. Nice. Look at this one. Some of these look very refurbished. This is just a flat out rock. It's funny how his name's Workman. Whitney, that's a big name out in Worcester. Frederick Appleton. Pretty plain and simple. He's got the pillars. This right here, there's many variations of this. This got leaves in it. I've seen ones with eyes and more of these things. I'd like to know what these urns mean. And look at this one in the distance over here. I'm gonna go around and take a quick look at these. This is more of a reconnaissance. In oak trees, 7 ways to Sunday, with the oak gematria 47. Wow, it looks like the Illuminati flame at the top. It's exactly what it is. And there's those headdress things with the snake heads that they say possibly come from the Sanskrit. They try to simulate like a slate tile roof. Elizabeth Davis, George Bancroft. Now there's a place called Bancroft Tower. One of these days in the summer I'm going to get to that. Historian of America. He made it the high purpose of life, which nearly spanned a century, to trace the origin of his county, to show her path in the advancement of man. And from thee are resources of his genius, his learning, and his labor to enable the story of her birth. Secretary of the Navy. Minister of Great Britain. Look at there's like, it almost looks like one of those lamps in the middle. And then it's got the eggs with the dragon tails. And now I know why the dragon tail is so important, because it says that the Freemasons in the old days used to kiss the dragon tail. I'm going to end this one here and go over to one of the tombs. Roby 1, I'll be back.